Bonjour.
Hello everyone, Today I'm introducing the book The African Language Attic, a work by Resulam published between 2020 and 2024. This book is available in several African languages. You can find it by searching on Amazon. Currently available in the following languages: Bassa, Douala, Elwondo, Fulfulde, Hausa, Igbo, Kiswahili, Medumba, Shupamom, Shiluba, Wolof, Yemba, and Yorùbá, Beni, Tianu. This African language attic is designed as a seed collection for ancestral African languages. It helps you learn the vocabulary and grammar of several African languages naturally. And here are some of the book features.
Nous sommes en train de nous balader.
Thematic chapters, suitable for beginners and intermediate learners. Also bonus, songs at the end of each chapter to make learning more enjoyable. And of course, the book is in trilingual format, which means it's ideal for French and English speakers. And we also have the color codes. This helps visualize the correspondence between African language words and those in foreign languages, making learning and memorization easier. They aid in identifying lexical and grammatical equivalents, making comprehension more intuitive. The book is intended for everyone, learners of all ages, teachers, and parents. It is currently available on Amazon via the links provided in the video description. You can also use the QR codes to directly access the different editions. So, order now to support this initiative. For more information, contact Resulam via email. That's contact@resulam.com. Yes, contact@resulam.com. Thank you very much for watching. Ẹ ṣé o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, a máa rí yín bá.